Top 7. Swiss made 45mm case diameter, black dial and black rubber strap. Swiss-Quartz movement, case diameter 45mm, water resistant depth is 200 meters. Top 6. Dark grey dial bracelet, black ice, stainless steel with triple coated anti-reflective sapphire crystal. Swiss-Quartz movement, case diameter 42mm, water resistant to 50 meters. Suitable for short period of recreational swimming. Top 5. White dial with date window, 43mm plastic case, Swiss-Quartz movement with analog display. Top 4. 43mm case diameter, date end of life indicator, scratch resistant, triple coated anti-reflective sapphire crystal, screwed on crown, removable black protection, excludes battery life. Top 3. Silver tone stainless steel case with a brown leather band, quartz movement, 100 meters water resistance, unidirectional rotating bezel, solid case back, tank claws. Top 2. Silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel band, quartz movement, 100 meters water resistance, fixed bezel, scratch resistant sapphire crystal, solid case back, fold over with push button release clasp, case size 42mm, atom weight 5.43 ounces. Top 1. Display type analog, case material stainless steel, case diameter 28mm, band material stainless steel, band color silver, dial color white, movement Swiss-Quartz, water resistant depth is 100 meters.